Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And Ann is driving today.
So here we go. I want to start because I'm making one of our new favorite meals. And one of the things that I love is this baby broccoli, because what you do is you buy it and you simply cook it. You don't have to cut anything up. And then when you eat it, you can eat, one stem at a time. So
That's
Jane,
baby broccoli or broccolini?
This is baby, well, broccoli, they call it baby broccoli. I think it's broccolini. I don't know what it is, but I love it. Would you cook it?
Who's they?
The grocery store.
They call it broccolini?
My grocery store calls it baby broccoli.
Okay,
So
it looks like just wilted adult broccoli.
It's just been sitting here.
I'm putting it in boiling water.
What I am doing today is I am absolutely crazy about this new Plant Strong secret sauce peanut curry, because I don't do a lot of sauces just because I don't. And so this makes it so easy.
Can I talk about
quick?
Plant Strong, you can get the peanut curry packages list. Check it out. Woo! Bells and whistles, bells and whistles. All these packets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come in a container. And actually, we can offer you a code. Wait till fly it in. I think it's like Jane15, and you get a discount of 15% off of these or whatever.
So I want to show you something so fun and delicious to do with this sauce. And here is some tofu that's been cut up. This is the super firm tofu that I found works the best. But even if you just get firm tofu, it also works. And so I am going to put that into a caraway pan that are simply
Wait, do you want to have the heat on?
Oh, I thought it was on. But that's not, it doesn't matter. And then,
okay. I'm going to turn it on.
Because I like to have mushrooms everywhere I possibly can, I'm going to put some mushrooms, just sliced mushrooms, around
Thinly
here.
sliced.
Thinly
You usually have
sliced.
like the thickest sliced mushrooms in this side of town.
But each little tofu, I don't want so many mushrooms that I can't get my tofus in there going.
Against the heat?
Okay.
Now that the heat's on.
Now that this is started, and maybe Jane, you could sort of take care of that.
You know what I would do, Mommy? I would put a kiss of tamari in there.
No. I tell you what I do. What I like is I take the tamari first sometimes. I mean the tofu first, and I put a little balsamic vinegar on it, and maybe a little tomato paste.
Oh, well, let's do that then.
No, I'm going to do it plain today because I want you to see how crazy good this peanut sauce is.
Okay.
And one of the things that I like about this sauce is that it is made with the peanut butter that has had the fat removed, and although it is something like this PB2 Pure has just, like for instance, there's 1.5 grams of fat in 2 tablespoons of this, and in 2 tablespoons of regular peanut butter, there's 16. So,
quick question about the broccolini, baby broccoli. How long do you want it to go? It's dark green, looks beautiful over there.
Yeah, just let it go till it gets nice and cooked.
But it's looking pretty nice and cooked.
Well, let's keep cooking it a little bit longer. So into this little bowl, I am going to dump this sauce. Now the good thing about this sauce is that you can add as much liquid as you want to make it as thick as you want or as thin. In this case, I'm going to add the whole cup of water or broth that is recommended. And because I love the Plant Strong vegetable broths, and they come in every flavor. And actually, when I'm using mushrooms, I often use the mushroom broth, but this one is just the vegetable broth.
Vegetable broth, Wade's going to fly into code here also. That's, again, Jane15 if you want. How much do you add?
I'm putting in 1 cup, and
how do you know it's 1 cup?
Because I used the other half the other day in a cup, so I know. And then I'm just going to whisk it. And if you don't have a whisker, you can do anything. And then...
You don't have a whisker? Like what? Oh. Do you think the word whisk came from whiskers? Like you have so many little hairs on your chin, you could just spear it with your chin?
It is. That's right.
I never thought of that.
So there is my, oh, and I tell you, this peanut sauce is to die for. It's so good. So,
well, it just,
how is that?
Well, the tofu is browning nicely. I don't know if you can see top shot here. See how it's browning a little bit?
I need it to be browned.
Okay, well.
And in the meantime, I'm going to check my baby broccoli.
I'm sure, oh, and you pushed off the wall and all your sauce went everywhere. Oh, jeez.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, well.
Ah! Not done.
It's not done?
Not done.
What's done? I think what's done for you is a little bit different than what's done for other people. Anne likes it like squishy soft.
No.
My husband Brian likes it to like snap a little bit.
Well,
it's okay. It's okay. Let's just leave it there.
How's it going?
Everything's going well. It's browning up nicely, and the mushrooms are shrinking. Yeah.
So in the meantime,
you know what? Can I talk about this pan?
I need a pot. I mean a dish. Do you have a? Do I have a dish?
This pan that's such a great nonstick pan, we've talked about it a couple times on YouTube, I think, and they're called Caraway pans, and they are our new
sadly, I have
new
peanut sauce over
discovery that we just love. And we talk about it in a couple other videos, but we love it so much, we've got a discount code for people if they want it. So it's Jane Esselstyn 10, or go to the store and our website and you'll see it if you are interested in these amazing pans. But anyway.
They are amazing. Here is some brown rice.
And you discovered them.
Yeah, well, I gave it to you for Christmas.
And do you want to put some spinach in here or something? It looks kind of...
Yeah, I'm going to put some spinach in a minute.
Yeah, this is looking really good.
Now, you ready? Oh my gosh, it's ready.
Yeah.
So here goes the sauce. Now, you put the sauce in just before you want to serve it. Ooh, ooh, dear.
That is wild. Wow.
And then I'm going to add a little bit of spinach.
Wow, this smells, this is my fantasy meal. Peanut sauce and tofu is just my fantasy meal.
It's essentially ready when that sauce is brown.
Do you put the rice in here too?
No.
How about the broccolini? How's the broccolini doing?
No, the broccolini.
So this is luscious. I could just see how all the sauce is grabbing onto the tofu and the mushrooms and the spinach, and it's just collecting all that amazing flavor. Mmm. Okay, so now, what do you want us to do with this beautiful tofu?
Oh, look! Look! Broccolini!
Wreath. A wreath of broccolini. Okay, I'm turning this off, Mommy, because this looks kind of done.
Done. Now,
should we pour it on, or what do you want us to do?
Yeah. Oh, I got a spoon here. Let's get. Oh, no, I don't think we need all of that.
Well, I think
that's too much tofu then.
No, never. Okay, fine.
Jane, the rice doesn't show.
The rice is going to be right. There's a little sauce on top. Mm.
Oh, this is to die for, and the broccolini.
Can we taste it, Anne?
What is so amazing is to get the rice with this amazing curry peanut sauce on it. I cannot get enough of it.
I'm going to give Wade a bite. You ready, Wade?
Mmm. It's hot.
It's hot. I'm not good with hot.
But the trick is don't put the peanut sauce in so that it disappears, because you want to have it work as gravy.
Mm. We're going to go eat this. So you please enjoy your rice and tofu and mushrooms and broccolini, baby broccoli with...
Well, you don't have to have broccolini.
The secret sauce.
I like something green, and that gives it a nice greenness.
It does. All right. Let us know how you eat yours.
Woo!
Bye.